Hello and welcome back to the channel. I hope you all are doing well. So in this video we are going to discuss about the major differences between the data engineering and the software engineering field. So both fields are really crucial in the tech industry. But here let's discuss about some of the key differences, their roles and responsibilities, as well as what sets data engineering aside from that software engineering. So without wasting any time, let's get into it. So first, let's start with the data engineering field. So data engineers plays a vital role in the data ecosystem. So the responsibility is like to collect, process as well as store the data so that it's readily available for further analysis. So software engineers on the other hand will majorly focus on designing, building as well as maintaining a software application which solves some problem or provide a functionality. Now let's talk about their roles as well as the responsibilities. So if you talk about the data engineering, data engineers are really the architect of the data pipelines. So their main job is to design, build as well as maintain the complex data workflows, or we can say data pipelines, which can extract the data from various sources, and that could be in like a huge amount, or we can say huge volume, and with different formats. That could be structured, semi-structured data, and their main job is to convert that and process that data so that it could be in the specified format, and then they finally load that data into some storage solution, for example a data warehouse or a data lakes, so that every business user or any data analyst or data scientist can query that data and draw some meaning out of it. And on the other hand, if we talk about the software engineering, their main role is to write the code, build the application, as well as provide the software solution that will addresses some business requirement or the need. So now let's compare them in the field of the tools and technologies they use. So if we talk about the data engineers should have a knowledge of Apache Spark, Hadoop ecosystem, and all other major big data technologies in the field of data, as well as they should have a strong understanding of data modeling as well as the ETL processes. And on the other hand, for software engineers, they should be really versed in the programming languages like the Python, Java, JavaScript, and they often use like framework as well as some libraries for software development. So now if we talk about the goals and the objectives on the data engineering side, data engineers will really focus on ensuring the data quality as well as the availability of the data, and build a scalable solution so that data scientists and data analysts will have a data readily available for further analysis. And if we talk about the software engineers, their goal is to make a very functional, very user friendly software application that meets some business criteria and solves some specific user need. So if we talk about the collaborations as well as the interactions, and in the field of data engineering, data engineers really collaborates with the data scientists, data analysts to provide a complete analytics platform for the business and convert a unprocessed raw data into the meaningful insights. So that will be like the main aim of the data engineers. So they closely work only with the data scientists as well as the data analysts. So, and on the other hand, if you talk about the software engineering, software engineers work closely and collaborate with the UI UX designers, product managers as well as the end users to develop a software that meets the users expectations. So if we talk about the challenges, so data engineers will face the issue in the data integration as well as the data quality, because your data is coming from different sources, from different tools, and it needs to be integrated in the required format. And maintaining a data quality also depends on a good data model. So that is the biggest challenge of a data engineer. Also, if we talk about the sensitive information as well as the personally identifiable information, that data should be properly secured as well as it should pass all the compliances rules in place. So that is the biggest challenges of a data engineer. And on the other hand, software engineers will face the issues in the code complexity debugging, as well as meeting the business deadlines. So that is the major challenge of a software engineer. So at the end of the day, data engineers and software engineers are really a unique field, but they have some correlation in the tech world. So data engineers really focuses on creating the pipelines, creating a data platform for every data driven industry. And on the other hand, software engineers build the application as well as the functionality to meet a certain business requirement. So I hope you understood the major difference between data engineers and the software engineers. So if you like this video, please give it a subscribe as well as ring the notification bell to get the latest updates. Thanks for watching.